Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix use button in Fortnite Lego. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now sometimes when we are playing Fortnite Lego here, sometimes the use button will not work. So in this case, since the use button is not working, you won't be able to collect wood or collect or use items here, which is really sucks. So how do we fix this one? So to fix this, what you need to do first is you need to go to your settings. So go ahead and click on the escape button at the top right of your screen. And from here, what we need to do is we need to choose the option here for settings at the bottom section. Now from here, click on settings. And from here, you want to go to key bindings here. Now from here, just scroll down a bit until you see the section that says use. And what you need to do here is you need to remove this key binding. Go ahead and click on the X button next to it. And once you click on it, it's going to actually remove that. And from here, go ahead and click on apply. And once you've done that, go ahead and click on the use section again and set this to E or whatever you actually set it before. Now, once you've done that, you can go ahead and click on apply again. And from here, you need to go ahead and exit your settings here. And from here, try using the use key button. And as you can see, it is now working. But yeah, so that's how you fix the button in Fortnite Lego. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.